Okay guys, this is my friend phone. I'm taking this phone for recording video tutorial. So the first tutorial is how to change the password of this phone. Okay, so normally enter your password. Okay, then open your settings application. Then select lock screen and AOD. This is Samsung A35 5G phone. So open lock screen AOD. The first option is the screen lock type. Select that, then enter the passcode. Okay, first you have to enter your default your password. Then you can choose different type of lock screen. If you select none, then automatically remove all of the password. So in this way you can also change your password so to set a new pin. Okay, but currently I'm not doing that because it is not my phone. So it is just show you that in this way you can easily change your password. If you selected the pin, then you have to type the new pin 2 times. Okay, if you forgot, then will be create some problems. That means you need to format your phone. That's also delete all of your data from your phone. Okay, so be carefully enter your password and return somewhere else in your not the digital world like notebook or something paper and keep in your wallet. Okay guys, if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post your replies as videos so you can easily watch. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.